Pandora with Integrative Gardening here, and I wanted to show you the hazelnut tree because it is flowering right now. It looks so beautiful, sparkling in the sun. There are 2 hazelnuts. You do need 2 hazelnuts to produce nuts. They're not self-pollinated, so we have 2 trees here, and I'll show you some of the flowers on it. These catkins are the male flowers, and these have been out for a day or two. It's late January. You can see they're already starting to go out. And right behind them you'll find the female flowers. It's a little red flower there. And so they have male and female flowers. They're not self-pollinating, so you do need 2 trees for hazelnuts. There's more red flowers right here. You can see the multi-stem nature of this plant here. More of the catkins. You can see the red flower at the back there. Just trying to give you a few views of the different flowers. So here's one of the trees. You can see how far reaching it is. Here are some of the catkins that are turning brown already. So they seem to be only out and nice and pretty and green for a few days. Okay, I'm going to get a little farther away so I can have you see both trees. Now, both of these were cut down at one point, and so we have multiple trunks, and you can see where there was a tree in the middle, and all of these other tree trunks came out around from where we cut down the main plant.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away, yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life, every second, every day.
Okay, so that is it for today. Just wanted to show you our hazelnut trees, and I will catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be